Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make meringue nests. Start by whisking together 2 egg whites and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Add in 145 grams of sugar a bit at a time. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt and whisk until it forms stiff peaks. Then add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And your meringue mixture is ready. Pipe onto a lined baking tray like so. And bake at 120 degrees for 75 minutes. Once ready, you can serve with lemon curd, a slice of lemon and a sprig of mint, or strawberry jam, a fresh strawberry slice and some rosemary. Or if you like, add some blueberry jam, a fresh blueberry, and let's not forget the mint. And there you have it, meringue nests. Fantastically simple and delicious. Enjoy!